Pour rice into the pan. Add water. Boil the rice. Place a layer of rice in the baking dish. Fry the chopped onion with mushrooms. And canned tuna. Season to taste. Put the mixture on top of the rice. Put the second layer of rice. Decorate with tomato slices. Sprinkle with mozzarella. Mix the eggs with liquid cream. Season to taste. Pour the mixture into the pan. Bake for 10 minutes.